Hi, welcome to Recycling 101. In this video, you will learn what items you can collect at home for recycling. Many times, we throw away these everyday plastics and cardboards that can be recycled instead of them ending up in landfills for years. Cardboard. It is used to package almost everything we order online or buy at the store. All kinds of cardboard, no matter the color, can be recycled, even the small pieces found in everyday products we buy. Don't throw it away. Recycle it. Frozen pizza boxes. Shoe boxes. Frozen food boxes. Juice boxes. Amazon boxes. Or any other shipping boxes. Soda can boxes. Toilet paper rolls. The wrapping paper for toilet paper. Cereal boxes. This box. And this box. An old toy box. This one too. Cat or dog food boxes. Toothpaste and soap boxes. The box where the rice comes in. Cream cheese box. And even cardboard that was holding 24 cans of sparkling water. Plastics are all around us. Almost everything we use around our homes comes in a plastic bag, container, or bottle. Unfortunately, not all plastics are recyclable like straws and single-use utensils. Now here are the plastics I collect from my home and take to the recycling center, which you can do too. Most plastics accepted at the recycling center include water bottles, soda bottles, plastic containers like these, or these, bottle caps, plastic bags, like this one, and so many more. Don't forget to give them a quick rinse before collecting to wash off any residue or germs. Plus, it also keeps any bugs away as you collect them. Nothing like an ice-cold soda or canned water to quench your thirst on a hot day. Aluminum is the most recyclable and most recycled material. It's an alternative to using plastic bottles. Just rinse after use and collect it with other aluminum cans to take to the recycling center. Now you are ready to start collecting and recycling. All cardboard, most plastics, and all aluminum cans are recyclable. As I like to say, think before you trash it. And remember to skip the straws and single-use plastics as they are not recyclable. Have fun and share this information with everyone. Thanks for watching and start recycling!